That's his drug dealing drone? He puts a gummy in our back pocket. I'm here.
Oh. My back is cold. Thank you, Abby. Save the day.
Understood a little bit of that.
Here's my happy day. And look, the weather turned out good.
You make me tear up. I love you too. I'm very excited. I'm very nervous. The anticipation. There's a lot going on. Jen, you're the love of my life, my best friend, and the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. You are my dream come true. Always been there when I needed a good cry, or when I needed a 5-hour visit to the ER. The week of our wedding.
Here's to more holidays and concerts and fishing trips together filled with hippie muffins and endless mounds of kale. We love you both, and we can't wait to see your lives develop together.
It has been so fantastic to watch two people with similar joyful spirits become best friends, grow in love, and begin this fantastic adventure together. If we could all raise a glass to Jen and Bobby, to your love, to your adventure, we love you both. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bobby, you are my best friend. I watched my friends find their person, their best friend, and I wondered if I would ever find that too. And somehow, through the magic of a dating app, through lots of surprise dates, city walks and trail hikes, road trips and baseball games, and even a pandemic, I did. And every day I wonder how I got so lucky.
Please know, wherever this life goes, this will be.
Hug me. Yeah, everybody come in together. That's it.
Please know, wherever this life goes, this will be your home. You're never alone.
I'm not crying, you're crying.
Remember, you're always enough.
And now it is my great honor to introduce you for the first time, the Schillers. And I invite you to seal us here to the kiss.
Wherever this life goes.
It's snowing right now.
It is.
Oh God,
Making
it's
out?
snowing. My lips.